Hello everybody. Today I'm going to attempting to installing this indicator light with DRL for front and rear. I will attempting to splice in here because it is a little bit tedious to remove all of this cover. I will make a good connection. I will splice it here and connect it the wire here, and the RL I will connect to the rear light DRL connection. Okay. For the front side also same. I will make this. I will make the connection here. First and foremost, we have to remove this cover to expose the connection module inside here. Okay, let's get it on. Okay guys, here on I will need to trace the line from rear rear light, which is this one. This is coming from here, see? From here, come inside this, going from here. I will have to find where's the connection from this. Okay guys, a little bit update on the rear light installation. I traced the line. What I did, I open up this cover here. As you can see, cover here and the rear cover. The rear cover here, this one. Okay, I remove it, and I found out this. They have this connection here. So it's easy. Now I can easily connect the wire here, but again, to make it a waterproof connection, I have to remove this fender and arrange the wire again to the cable to this fender lining to this connection. Okay. One thing I'm just realized, the manufacturer did not provide a good waterproofing insulation. The connection really exposed. See, the connection they made only like this. So you guys have to check your bike for waterproofing and make a good waterproof cover or tape it or however you did it. So this is what I found. Okay. Okay guys, to remove this cover we need to remove the shock absorber, because see, it will not move because of this. It will not launch. You have to open this. You got to open this. Okay, as you can see, all the cables for the rear blinkers and the brake light is glued to this fender lining. So I will need to remove that and trace the cable again, of which is goes for the rear light, and I will connect the DRL to the real connection. Okay guys, the connection of this DRL with blinkers. Okay, watch for the cable. Okay, watch for the wire. Green is for indicator. Black is, of course, black is positive, ground, sorry, and red is the DRL. Red is DRL. Remember, green is indicator. Okay. Hello folks. Okay, update. I already fixed this to the bracket, to the plate bracket. What I did for the DRL cable, I join it together here. Okay, left and right. DRL will be common. One will be joining to one common wire, which is going to the connector right there. Okay, just to update you guys. I will fix this back and we'll see. Okay. Hey guys, okay, I make a temporary connection here for DRL. Press the indicator, front indicator. Okay, let's try. Fingers crossed. Yes, with DRL on.